Hello everyone, it's Adam here. While I will wait for a new clutch basket to arrive, long story, um, someone was watching or looking at my photos and said, "Hey Adam, you seem like a man that likes to waste money." And they also said, well, I should actually quote them. I should put that picture in front of here. But basically, they said, you know, the um, the oil filter hose here is rubber. It doesn't seem like rubber, but it's a hard plastic, it seems like. Basically, they said that this thing is problematic, I guess. I don't know. Who knows anymore? But basically, a size 14 wrench to loosen this up. You probably should replace the copper washers too when you do this. It looks like we can actually, I don't know what we're doing here. Anyway, supposedly this cable sucks. That's all I know. And Rally Raid out of the UK makes this. It's just a braided line. It's a custom braided line that's sized perfectly to fit in that same space. Braided is good, right? Yeah, braided is good. Branded, nice and looks like it's nice and well built. So they said, yeah, buy one of these things. I did. I thought it wouldn't come in for like months. It took like 4 days to get here from the UK. I think cost with shipping was like $50. And yeah, just because we're there. It is a size 14 socket to get this one loose. I presume the same for up there. This system's fully drained, so it's been open for a few days now. But you're gonna have some drippage there. I'm not gonna replace those copper washers, but I guess you're supposed to. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, so here are the two compared side by side. So you can see they got the links right. Getting these off was actually, so here's the top piece. Don't forget your copper washer. It's just a temp sensor. That's all it is. I guess it's taking the temperature of the oil coming out here, and it's kind of just doing this little like. That's all there is to it. It's just a little temp sensor right here. That's all it is. I doubt this is under any sort of pressure where a braided line is even required. I hate seeing lines, and so just having this off, it just kind of looks better having this off. Unfortunately, I can't do that. I can't just leave it off, but I'd prefer no lines at all. So it was a 14 on the inside braid, but I will add that on the, where'd you go? Oh, on this piece here, it actually kind of helped to have a wrench hold here. I scuffed it up tiny bit right there. But have a wrench just to hold that to get it. It's torqued pretty well. There's no thread locker on it, but it's highly torqued. Let's reassemble and get it back on. All right, here we are. So it's pretty stiff. Honestly, it's about a ½ inch longer than the stock one. And so what that kind of allows for is where the stock one, you could obviously rewind the video, but where the stock one was kind of overlapping a little bit of the Rottweiler plate here and kind of coming straight down. This being a little bit longer is kind of nice because what it's doing is, I'll remove this so it's kind of out of that way there. What it's doing here is with the clutch cover installed, you'll be about here. It's actually going to run up the clutch cover, I mean, probably getting close to touching it. And then it actually pushes it to kind of hang back here. And so I actually am kind of liking this this setup. It puts this behind that nozzle sensor thing there, and it kind of tucks it away. So I actually kind of like the little bit of extra width. Does what I was kind of complaining about if it kind of just takes this cable and it kind of moves it away where you get more of the cylinder head. Yeah, I like this. So I don't know, it's expensive, but I'm gonna put this away for a rainy day. Store this away. But yeah, it is a very stiff rubber. I highly doubt this would have ever had any problems, but while you're in there. All right, guys, thanks for watching.